and welcome to another episode of the Savvy Entrepreneur meets Energize Colorado. Today, I have a good friend of mine, Lizzy Lee, who will be talking about her product, Sidewalk. Sidewalk is a very innovative online tool for businesses that allows them to get their product out to their customers. So, Lizzy, I'll stop talking about your product and I'll let you describe it.
Yeah, thanks for having us on, Tallis. So you did a great job describing it. Sidewalk is a local e-commerce marketplace for independent retail sellers. So think Amazon meets DoorDash in your local community. So it's designed to be a site where you can search and find for individual products that are located in independent retail stores right in your neighborhood. So let's say I need shoelaces. Instead of ordering them on Amazon, I can actually go to Sidewalk, search the product individually, and find out that there's a store a couple blocks away from me that has exactly what I need. And so I can either walk to get that product in the next hour, or I could possibly, and eventually we'll have this feature where you could actually get it delivered to you in a really, really short time frame. Yeah.
That's awesome. So what kind of business would utilize Sidewalk rather than going the whole route of making a website and doing a Shopify, for example?
Yeah. We're a really great option for businesses that are focused on their local consumers. So they're focused on getting customers that are within a geographic radius of their store. So maybe it's a couple miles away, maybe it's 2 blocks down the street. We're also a really great option for businesses that have a to-do list that's a mile long, and we know that they all do. And so because maintaining a Shopify store and maintaining a website is really time intensive, fulfilling orders for customers that are across the country who are ordering things online is really time intensive. And so what we offer is an opportunity to list your products online, sell them locally, but just because we operate in a geographic radius, most of your customers are going to be actually your neighbors, people who are down the street, and so who can come in store and pick things up. It's really designed to be a catalyst to get people into your store. Because we all know that, it's preferable to make sales in your store itself because you can talk to the customer, you can suggest other options for them and items. And so really the design behind Sidewalk is for people to discover you online on a product level basis. So not just at an aggregate. Yelp does a great job of helping customers find businesses because they generally describe what's in the store. We're creating a site where people can search the products that are in your store, use the products as a driver for going into your location and potentially purchasing more items.
That's great. And I'm sure there's lots of benefits for keeping the money local rather than having it sent out to Amazon's HQ.
Absolutely. I've got some great stats on that. So 43 cents of every dollar that you spend in your local community at local businesses stays within the local economy. I mean, that's a huge number. Comparatively, if you shop at a big box store, but locally, so like a Target, Walmart, the estimate out there is about 11 cents stays in your local economy. If you buy on Amazon, you could basically envision taking your dollar, mailing in an envelope to Seattle, because it's about 4 cents that stays in your local economy when you buy purchase from like an Amazon.
Wow, it really shows the benefit of ordering stuff from Sidewalk rather than from other online retailers.
Yeah, and that's the thing about our platform, right? We are Sidewalk, we offer a platform, but the real businesses are the actual local stores that are selling on our platform. We're absolutely about promoting their business. We don't brand any items. When you buy on Sidewalk, we're just a facilitator. You're buying from your local stores. You're buying from your neighbors down the street.
That's great. So Lizzy, do you want to take us for a tour of Sidewalk?
Yeah, absolutely. I'll share my screen. So this is our platform. It's, as you see, when you land on the page, it's very similar to any type of e-commerce business that you would shop online. We've got popular items up here. Again, these are all items that are located inside a business in the Denver area. When you scroll down here, you can see there's a map. This points out all the stores that are actually on Sidewalk where you can buy products today and go pick them up in store. Down here at the bottom section, you can see the individuals themselves. So you can either shop and buy at a product level, or you can shop and buy at a store level.
Yep.
So you can either start, so you can look at her products, you can shop at a store level and see what she has. Alternatively, if you're going here and you search for lotion, you can see all these other products that are coming up on an item by item basis.
Well, that's awesome. So if I'm a retailer and I want to use your platform, how does that work?
Yeah, if you want to use our platform as a retailer, we have a registration button on the site. You can log in and you can set up your account individually. You can also reach out to us at hello@shopsidewalk.com, and we'd be happy to walk you through the process in a concierge way and help you upload your products and get them into the site.
Lizzy, I really commend you on creating this platform. It's great that you're supporting local businesses.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, our dream for this platform is really to create a really, really strong community ecosystem. If you think about it, there are lots of things that we get shipped to us in Amazon boxes where we don't realize that those items are actually in stores just blocks down the street from us.
Well, I love your platform. I look forward to using it in the near future.
Thanks, Tallis. Thanks for having us on. And again, if anyone has any questions, you can reach out to us at hello@shopsidewalk.com, or we have a chat feature on our website. You can ping us directly and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.
Thanks, Lizzy. And thank you all for watching. Until next time, stay savvy.